So in real numbers logarithms topics exercise 1.5 we started. In that first problem we completed first 8 bits. So ninth one is very important. Find the value of 2 to the power 2 plus log 3 base 2. This is in the form of a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n is nothing but a to the power m into a to the power n. When bases are same and into is there in between them, then we should add the powers. So it is in the form of a to the power m plus n. This is m, this is n. So a to the power m plus n is a to the power m into a to the power n. So it will become 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power log 3 base 2. Now 2 to the power 2, 2 into 2, that is 4. Now this is in the form of one formula, that is n to the power log x base n. If these two are same, then the answer is x. If these two are same, then the answer is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. So first it is in the form of a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n is a to the power m into a to the power n. So it is 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power log 3 base 2. 2 to the power 2, 2 square is 4. This is in the form of n to the power log x base n. So n to the power log x base n, if these two are same, then the answer is 3. So it is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Right, second problem. Write the following expressions as log n. Write the following expressions as log n and find its value. First one, log 2 plus log 5. Second one, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Here this is in the form of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log a into b, that is log 2 into 5. Log 2 into 5 is 10, log 10. In logarithms, if base is not mentioned, it is considered as 10. So we can write it as log 10 base 10. Logarithm of a number itself as the base. If these two are same, then the answer is 1. So first log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log a into b. So log 2 into 5, log 10. If base is not mentioned, it is considered as 10. Then it will become log a base a. Logarithm of a number itself as the base. So it is 1. So the answer is 1. Now here base is same. Now this is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b, base is 2. That is log 16 by 2 is 8. This 8 can be written as 2 cube, base is 2. Now log a to the power m, if the number has power, it comes as coefficient. So it will become 3 into log 2 base 2. Logarithm of a number itself as the base, log 2 base 2 is 1. So 3 into 1, answer is 3. So first log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. This is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. 16 by 2. Base is 2. 16 by 2 is 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. Log a to the power m is m log a. So 3 comes here. It is 3 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. Write the third one. 3 log 4 base 64. This 64 can be written as 4 cube. Now this is 3 into log 4 base is 4 cube. If the number has power, it is coming as coefficient. If the base has power, it will become 1 by. So it will become 1 by 3 log 4 base 4. This 3 you can cancel. Logarithm of 4 base 4, this is 1. Right, fourth one. Two log 3 minus 3 log 2. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. In logarithms, if the coefficient is there, it will become power. So this 2 comes here, it will become log 3 square. Here it will become log 2 cube. 3 square means 3 into 3, that is 9. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Now this is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So it is log 9 by 8. Right, sixth one. Log 10 minus 2 log 3 plus log 2. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Now log 10 means if base is not mentioned, it is considered as 10. So it is log 10 base 10. This 2 comes here. It is log 3 square minus log 2. Now log 10 base 10, logarithm of a number itself as the base is, it is 1. Plus log 3 square is 9 minus log 2. Now this is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So it is log 9 by 2. One plus log 9 by 2 is log 4.5. Now 1 I write like that only, log 10 base 10. Here log 4.5 base 10. Log a plus log b form. Log a plus log b is log a into b. So it is log 10 into 4.5. Base is 10. 10 into 4.5 is, it will become 45. So answer is log 45 base 10. So first log 10 means log 10 base 10. 2 log 3 means it is log 3 square minus log 2. This log 10 base 10 you keep like that only, because in the last step we are going to use it. So it is log 3 square is log 9 minus log 2. Now this is log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So it is log 10 base 10 plus log 9 by 2. That is log 10 base 10 plus 9 by 2 is 4.5. Now this is in the form of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log a into b. 10 into 4.5. So it is log 45. Write the third problem. Evaluate the following in terms of x and y. If it is given that x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. So evaluate the following in terms of x and y, where x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. Right, first one, log 15 base is 2. Second one, log 7.5 base is 2. Third one, log 60 base 2. Fourth one, log 6750 base is 2. Here x is given as log 3 base 2, y is given as log 5 base 2. So if you want to use x and y, you have to write the given logarithms in terms of log 3 base 2 and log 5 base 2. So log 15 can be written as 3 5s are 15. 15 you write it as 3 into 5. This is in the form of log a into b. Log a into b is log a plus log b. 3 into 5 log 3 plus log 5 base is 2. Now log 3 base 2 is given as yx. Log 5 base 2 is given as y. So the answer is in terms of x and y, that is x plus y. Now log 7.5 base is 2. 7.5 means it is 75 by 10. Now this is in the form of, first let us cancel it. 5 15s are 5 2s are. Now the given problem will become 15 by 2 base is 2. Now log a by b. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. Now just now we got log 15 base 2. Just now we did it is x plus y. So here use that x plus y minus logarithm of a number itself as the base, it is 1. So the answer is x plus y minus 1. So first 7.5 you write it as 75 by 10. You cancel by using 5 table. 5 2s are 5 15s are 15 by 2. Log a by b is log a minus log b. Now it is log 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 15 base 2 just now we calculated, it is x plus y. In terms of xy it is x plus y minus log a base a, it is 1. So the answer is x plus y minus 1. Now 6750. Let us find prime factors of 6750. 5 13s are 65, 5 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 3 18s are. So it is log, in place of 6750 let us write prime factors of it. First one is 5 cube into 3 cube into 2. Now this is in the form of log a into b into c. Log a b c is equal to first log a plus log b plus log c. So log 5 cube means it is 3 log 5 plus log 3 cube means it is 3 log 3 and log 2 base 2 is 1. 3 here log 5 base 2 is y. Log 3 base 2 is x plus 1. So the answer is 3x plus 3y plus 1. So first you find prime factors of 6750. For 6750 we got 5 cube, 3 cube and into 2. Log a, b, c can be written as log a plus log b plus log c. Log 5 cube means 3 comes here, it is 3 log 5, base is 2. This 3 comes here, it is 3 log 3, base is 2. Log 2 base 2, logarithm of a number itself as the base, it is 1. So we substituted 1 there. 3 log 5 base 2 is y plus 3 log 3 base 2 is x plus 1. That is 3x plus 3y plus 1. This log 60 base 2, you try at home, it is very simple. So 60 factors of 60 are 3 into 5 into 4. 15 4s are 60. 15 means 3 into 5. So you complete this third bit log 60 base 2, you can do this.